Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's class. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fit and fine in your homes and you all are taking care of yourself as well as your family members. Dear students, if you see anyone around you who is not following the precautions for the prevention of the spread of COVID-19, then please ask him to do so. Okay, please ask him to follow the precautions which are required because these days prevention is the best cure. Okay, now my dear students, I have a very important message for you all. The message is regarding your art integrated project. Dear students, in a few days your exams will be coming, and then for sure you will get busy in relation for studying about your exams. Okay, so I recommend you all to quickly prepare your art integrated project and submit it to me. It's not very difficult, it's something which is very easy, which all of you know how to do. Okay, and it's just a simple conversation of 1 minute. Okay, 1 to 2 minutes conversation you have to show, and you know what the conversation should be about. The characters, a student from Haryana and a student of Telangana, these are your characters. So make the video very quickly and submit it. Okay, don't wait for the last date to come, because better see, this will go in CBSE records. Your project will go in CBSE records. Hence, it is very important that you do it quickly. Okay, and it is must for you all. Although you all know that it is just for 5 marks, but you all have to do it because it will reflect in your record with CBSE that whether you have done this project or not. Okay, not only of English, for every subject you have to do this project. Okay, so all of you quickly do this project. Now let's start today's lesson. In today's class, once again we'll be reading the chapter A House is Not a Home by Zan Godioso. Zan Godioso has has given her story in this chapter. Okay, it's her real life story. What happened to her when she was a student. Dear students, Zan is experiencing trouble. Okay, Zan is experiencing trouble because she is now once again a freshman. Okay, and she's into high school now. Earlier she was in junior high, now she's in high school. Okay, as she has lost the seniority and she misses her old school very much, so she even goes to meet her teachers over there, and they advise her that she should make new friends and meet new people. Now, dear students, let's read forward and find out what's more there in her story. All right. So I'll start with a few lines behind. The smoke began to fill the room so quickly that we could barely see. Groping our way to the front door, we all ran out into the front yard. So what was happening? That smoke was there in the house, and when they saw so much smoke in their house, in their home, then the family members, they came out of the house and into the front yard. जो घर के बाहर बगीचा सा होता है, वहां पे सब आ गए. By the time we made our way outside, the whole roof was engulfed in flames and it was spreading quickly. So जब तक वो बाहर आए तब तक पूरी जो रूफ थी, पूरी जो छत थी, it was engulfed. Engulfed means covered. Okay, वो पूरी तरीके से कवर हो गई थी फ्लेम्स में, and it was spreading quickly. बहुत जल्दी से आग फैल रही थी. I ran to the neighbors to call the fire department while I watched my mother run back into the house. So उसने क्या किया कि वो क्विकली जाके नेबर्स के पास के घर गई ताकि वो कॉल करके इन्फॉर्म कर सके. ओके, सो शी डिड दैट एंड व्हाइल हर मदर शी रैन बैक इनटू द हाउस. ऑब्वियसली वो घर के अंदर वापस क्यों गई होगी? जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं उन्हें कलेक्ट करने. My mother then ran out of the house carrying a small metal box full of important documents. So एक small metal box के अंदर से को लेके आई वो जिसमें important documents थे. She dropped the case on the lawn and in a crazed state. Crazed means strong state, बिल्कुल एकदम जिसमें ना हमारी full attention एक जगह पे हो. So in a crazed state ran back into the house. I knew what she was after. So अब उसे पता था, जैन को पता था that what she was after, what her mother was after. My father had died when I was young and I was certain that she was not going to let his pictures and letter go up in flames. So उसके father के जो pictures और letters थे वो ना जल जाए, इस वजह से उसकी मदर जो है वापस से गई. They were the only things that she had to remember him by. Still, I screamed at her, Mom, no. So, सिर्फ वही चीजें थी जिनसे वो रिमेम्बर कर सकती थी, लेकिन फिर भी जो हमारी ऑथर जैन है उसने अपनी मदर का नो. I was about to run after her when I felt a large hand hold me back. Hold me back means जिसने मुझे रोक लिया, जिसने मुझे पीछे ही रखा. So it was a fireman. Okay, fireman जो था उसने उसे अंदर जाने से रोक दिया. I hadn't even noticed that the street had already filled with fire trucks. तो बहुत ही quickly जो है fire trucks भी जो थे वो आ गए थे. Okay, और पूरी जो street थी उनसे भर गई थी. I was trying to free myself from his grasp. Grasp means hold या grip, जो उसकी पकड़ थी मैं उससे खुद को छुड़ाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. Yelling, you don't understand, my mother is in there. Yelling means shout करते हुए, चिल्लाते हुए. He held on to me while other firefighters ran into the house. He knew that I wasn't acting very logically and that if he were to let go, I would run. So क्या हुआ कि उसने उसे पकड़े रखा, जो फायर फाइटर था उसने जैन को पकड़े रखा और जो दूसरे फायर फाइटर्स थे they all ran into the house. So they all ran into the house and the other firefighter he kept a hold of Zan. Okay, because Zan would have run into the house. वो घर के अंदर भाग जाती अगर वो अपनी ग्रिप जो है वो जरा भी लूज करता तो. It's all right. They will get her, he said. They will get her means वो उसे ले आएंगे. Okay, they'll be able to reach the mother of Zan. He wrapped a blanket around me and sat me down in our car. So उसने एक ब्लैंकेट उसे उठाया और उसे जो गाड़ी थी उनकी उसमें बिठा दिया. Soon after that, a fireman emerged from our house with my mom in tow. So एक fireman उसके बाद एक बहुत quickly आया. Emerge means he came out. A fireman came out and her mother was in tow. जो जैन की मदर थी she was in a tow. What is tow? Tow is to pull something. जैसे रोड पे अगर गाड़ी खड़ी होती है तो एक क्रेन वाला ट्रक आता है जो उस गाड़ी को उठा के ले जाता है. तो सिमिलरली जो फायरमैन था वो भी उसकी मदर को ऐसे ही उठा के ला रहा था. He quickly took her over to the truck and put an oxygen mask on her. So बहुत ही जल्दी ले जाकर उसने ऑक्सीजन मास्क लगा दिया. I ran over and hugged her. All those times I ever argued with her and hated her vanished at the thought of losing her. So उसने जाके उसको अपनी मदर को हग कर लिया एंड जो भी उसके इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे अपनी मदर के साथ, ओके, कि जब उसने उससे आर्ग्यू किया था एंड हेट किया था, दे वैनिश्ड. वैनिश्ड मींस गायब हो गए. ओके, दे वो सब गायब हो गए. हाउ डिड दे वैनिश? बाय द एट द थॉट ऑफ लूजिंग हर. जब उसके दिमाग में थॉट आया कि यस she might lose her mother. Then all those thoughts, they vanished. She's going to be okay, said the fireman. She just inhaled a little smoke. So fireman ने उसको कहा, no, she'll be fine. And she just inhaled a little smoke. Inhaled means to breathe in. हम ऐसे करते हैं ना, inhale, breathe in, breathe out. तो जो हम breathe in करते हैं उसे inhale कहते हैं, और जो हम बाहर छोड़ते हैं उसे exhale कहते हैं. So Zan's mother, she inhaled a little smoke, and then he ran back to fight the fire while my mother and I sat there dazed. So उसके बाद वो फायर फाइटर फिर से अपनी ड्यूटी में लग गया, और जो जैन है और उसकी मदर है, they remained seated there. And how was their condition? They sat there dazed. Dazed means confused. Dazed का क्या मीनिंग है? Confused. Okay. I remember watching my house burn down and thinking that there was nothing I could do about it. So, what was she thinking? She was thinking that my house is burning down, but I am unable to do anything. She was in one of those situations where even though she wanted to do a lot, she couldn't do anything. वो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती थी, right? 5 hours later, the fire was finally out. Our house was almost completely burned down. So 5 hours later, the fire was finally out. Finally out means वो, and the house, it was completely burned down. पूरी तरह से burn हो गया था. But then it struck me, I hadn't seen my cat. Then it struck me means तभी उसको वो thought आया. A thought came to her mind that she has not seen her cat. Okay. Where was my cat? Much to my horror, I realized that she was nowhere to be found. Much to my horror. Much to my horror means कि एक ऐसा थॉट जिससे उसे काफी डर लगा. हॉरर मीन्स डर. ओके. सो उसको काफी उस थॉट के आने से उसे काफी ज्यादा डर लगा. ओके. एंड उसे पता चला कि दैट द कैट, इट वाज नोवेयर टू बी फाउंड. वो कहीं भी मिल नहीं रही थी. Then all at once it hit me. The new school, the fire, my cat. Then all at once it hit me means जो उसको जितनी भी चीजें थी वो सारी उसे उस मोमेंट पे रियलाइज हुई, उसे दिखी. She began to contemplate them. She began to understand them. Okay. What were they? The new school, the fire, my cat. I broke down in tears and cried and cried. I was suffering loss. Big time. So, जो ये चीजें थी, school, fire and cat, they were causing her some problems, और वो उनसे deal नहीं कर पा रही थी. That's why she cried. Okay, she cried and she cried a lot, and she was suffering loss big time. Big time means a big one. Okay, she was suffering a huge loss. जब भी एक phrase आता है ना big time कहीं पे भी, तो इसका मतलब यही होता है big one. Okay, something that is huge. So she was suffering this loss big time. Okay, the loss of her school. Which school? The new school. Okay, and the fire. And the cat. The firemen wouldn't let us go back into the house that night. It was still too dangerous. So obviously जो एक बिल्डिंग जिसमें अभी भी आग लगे थे उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें डेंजरस, बहुत सारे डेंजर्स होते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक का रिस्क होता है, वाटर डैमेज का रिस्क होता है. So that's why the firemen, they didn't allow her to go back into the house. Dead or alive, I couldn't imagine leaving without knowing about my cat. So, वो ये सोच रही थी कि she cannot go without knowing about the status of her cat. जो उसकी cat है वो कैसी है, उसकी condition क्या है, whether she is dead or she is alive. ओके वो जिंदा है उसकी कैट या मर गई है, उसको जाने बिना वो नहीं जा सकती थी. ओके शी couldn't leave. Regardless, I had to go. Regardless means कि उसके इवन कि उस चीज को अटेंशन, उसको फोकस के बिना, उसे उसके बिना भी, ओके उस चीज के बिना भी, इवन दो वो नहीं जा सकती थी, फिर भी उसे जाना पड़ा. We piled into the car with just the clothes on our backs and a few of the firemen's blankets and made our way to my grandparents' house to spend the night. So obviously उसे जाना पड़ा, and they piled means they all sat down together. They all sat down together in the car with just the clothes on their backs. जो उन्होंने कपड़े पहने, जैसे मैंने ये जैकेट डाली हुई है, so this is a cloth on my back. So उन्होंने जो कपड़े पहने हुए थे उनको पहनकर ही, और जो फायरमैन के ब्लैंकेट्स थे उनको डालकर ही वो जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का हाउस था, जो उसके जैन के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का हाउस था, वहां पर वो चले गए. द नेक्स्ट डे मंडे आई वेंट टू स्कूल. सो नेक्स्ट डे बहुत एक इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है बहुत चैप्टर में, प्लीज फोकस ऑन दिस. The next day, Monday, I went to school. When the fire broke out, I was still wearing the dress I had worn to church that morning. But I had no shoes. So, उसने कौन सी ड्रेस डाली हुई थी? Christians, they go to church every Sunday. Okay, Sunday mass होता है उनका. So, और चर्च जब वो लोग जाते तो they dress in a special dress. Okay, because फॉर्मल काफी ड्रेस जो होती है उनकी. सो उसमें वो गए थे और जैन ने वही सब डाला हुआ था. ओके जैन ने वही ड्रेस डाली हुई थी, बट शी हैड नो शूज. ओके द रीजन शी माइट बी फीलिंग सेल्फ कॉन्शियस और शी माइट बी फीलिंग सैड. फर्स्ट रीजन वी हैव गॉट बिकॉज शी हैड नो शूज. I had kicked them off when I was doing my homework. Kick them off means उतार दिए थे. So उसने कब उतारा था उन्हें? When she was doing her homework. They became yet another casualty of the fire. Obviously, पूरे घर burn हुए तो shoes भी obviously they will also be a casualty. Casualty means a loss. Something on which damage has been inflicted. जो चीज जिसके ऊपर damage हुआ है. Okay. So I had to borrow some tennis shoes from my aunt. Okay, so उसके पास क्या थे? जो उसकी आंट थी उसके टेनिस शूज थे, उसके पास वही अवेलेबल थे और उसने वो पहने. Why couldn't I just stay home from school? So वही सोच रही थी कि क्यों ना मैं घर ही रह जाऊं. That would be the best, right? हम भी जब ऐसी कोई embarrassing situation हमारे लिए आते हैं तो हम ये सोचते हैं कि we should not face it, right? हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमें उसे फेस ही ना करना पड़े, राइट? कभी कभी अगर एग्जाम्स में रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया तो सोचते हैं कि चलो पीटीएम ही कैंसिल हो जाए, है ना? कोई बहुत ज्यादा तेज बारिश आ जाए, कोई तूफान आ जाए. वी थिंक लाइक दैट. दिस इज ह्यूमन नेचर, दिस इज नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. ओके बट वी हैव टू रियलाइज दैट देयर इज नो solution to this and we have to face our fears at the end of the day. जो चीजें हमें अच्छी नहीं लगती वही हमें करनी पड़ती हैं. That's actually growing up. You know I have this thought. This is my personal thoughts. I'm sharing it with you all. That you grow up when you realize, when you are able to understand that you have to do things which you don't like. That's the day when you grow up. Okay? जिस दिन आपको ये रियलाइज हो जाएगा कि हाँ जो चीजें मुझे नहीं पसंद है और मुझे वो करनी पड़ेंगी, on that day you will grow up. Okay? But that day is still quite far from you. relax, enjoy your life. You are in school, no need to worry, just study, play, obey your parents, and life is simple. Okay, at least till 12th it is simple. I can't say after that, but till 12th you can keep this. So coming back to our story, Zan, she was feeling very much depressed and sad, and she didn't want she was unwilling to get embarrassed. वो embarrassed नहीं होना चाहती थी because she had no shoes. My mother wouldn't hear of it, but I was totally embarrassed by everything. So जो उसकी मदर थी वो उसके बारे में नहीं, उसने मना कर दिया. जैसे होता है ना, पेरेंट्स मना कर देते कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ मैं नहीं सुनने वाला, और या मदर कहती है कि मैं नहीं सुनने वाली और तुम्हें ये स्कूल जाना ही पड़ेगा, जो भी है जैसा भी है, जो ये सिचुएशन है उसे फेस करो. सो जैन की मदर ने भी ऐसा ही किया. The clothes I was wearing looked weird. I had no books or homework and my backpack was gone. So उसके जो कपड़े थे वो weird लग रहे थे. Why? Because they were church clothes. And she had no books or homework, obviously कुछ भी नहीं था. And her backpack, जो बैग था उसका, वो भी जल गया था. I had my life in that backpack. अब उसे क्या लग रहा है कि see, she is giving way too much importance to her backpack. Okay, उसे लगता है कि उसके बैकपैक के बिना तो वो स्कूल जा ही नहीं सकती. She had her life in it. Okay. The more I tried to fit in, the worse it got. Fit in means adjust होने की, जो वो को चाह रही थी कि वो चीजों के बीच में एडजस्ट हो जाए, बट सिचुएशन वर्स होती गई, सिचुएशन खराब ही होती गई. Okay. Was I destined to be an outcast and a geek all my life? What's the meaning of outcast? An outsider. So was she destined? क्या उसकी किस्मत में ही था कि she'll be an outsider and she'll be a geek? Geek क्या होता है? A student who studies a lot. Okay? A student who is interested, who studies a lot, or someone who's interested in science and technology. That is a geek. That's what it felt like. So उसे ऐसा ही लगा. I didn't want to grow up, change, or have to handle life if it was going to be this way. So मुझे लगा था कि अगर लाइफ में यही सब है, then I don't want to grow up. अगर यही सब जो चीजें हैं नेगेटिव है, तो I don't want to grow up. I just wanted to curl up and die. Okay. कर्ल अप मीन्स ऐसे वो एक रोल हो जाना चाहती थी. ओके, कर्ल अप होना क्या होता है? इट इज टू रोल योर बॉडी एंड डाई. नाउ हियर इज द स्कैरी थॉट. दिस थॉट इज द मोस्ट एक्सट्रीम थॉट अ पर्सन कैन अचीव इन हिज और हर लाइफ. बहुत ही नेगेटिव थॉट है ये. इससे ज्यादा नेगेटिव थॉट कुछ भी नहीं है. बिकॉज एट दिस पॉइंट यू रियलाइज दैट यस, आई वॉन्ट टू गिव अप ऑन माई लाइफ एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू लिव. बट लाइफ इज ऑलवेज वर्थ लिविंग. ओके, जिंदगी में जीने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. जिंदगी में जीने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. एंड इवन टू थिंक टू डाई, इट इज जस्ट इनअप्रोप्रिएट. ओके, चीजें खराब होती हैं, बट चीजें. So we should always keep ourselves positive no matter what the situation is, and we should not think such negative thoughts. जब भी ऐसे negative thoughts आए, we should talk to someone. Okay? Negative thoughts को कभी भी seriously नहीं लेते. दिमाग, it's our brain, anything can come to it. But negative thoughts are never to be taken seriously. Because if there is a negative thought and you will let it control you, it will control your life. So Zan के केस में क्या हो रहा है कि she is letting a negative thought control her and control her life. Okay? सो शी वॉन्टेड टू कर्ल अप एंड डाई, एंड ऐसा डिप्रेसिंग थॉट जब भी किसी के दिमाग में आता है तो उसे इस थॉट को अवॉइड करना चाहिए, उसे इस थॉट को अपने दिमाग से हटाकर उन चीजों पे फोकस करना चाहिए जो उसके सामने है, उसे पॉजिटिव रहना चाहिए. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, that's our lesson for today, and today we will read till here only. Now if you have any doubts, you can give me a call, send me a message, or clear your doubts in the Kaizala group. Okay, so dear students, that's our lesson for today. Thank you and have a nice day.